All right, gang. So what we're going to do here is we are going to take a Microsoft Office Word document, and we want to bring it into our Google Drive. And what we want to do is we want to make sure that it gets converted to Google format. So one thing that we just need to realize is, and I'll just show you in the actual assignment, is a Google Doc looks like this blue icon right here with the lines through it, and a Word document is blue with a little white W in it. Okay, so I'm just going to do this in my Drive. And so what you need to do, there's really only one thing you need to do this conversion, is you go to the gear. Of course, you got to be in your Drive. Okay, go to your gear, go to settings, and then make sure that this checkbox where it says convert uploads to Google Docs editor format, make sure that's checked on, and that's all you need to do. We can go back now to our Drive and then go new file upload. It'll say where do you want to upload it from your computer, and of course mine's on my desktop. Here it is right there in the docx format. I go open, and it's converting it down here. I'll just close that now, and I'll scroll. It'll put it at the bottom of all your folders. There it is there now, and you can see it's in that blue icon with the lines on it, not the W. So that means that it is now Google Docs format. Okay, hopefully that helped. And if you have any other questions, just let me know. Thanks.